Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Dheya Masterpieces. This is your host and friend Shreyas Wange. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career mentor, Mr. Nataraj HS. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Hello, Shreyas. I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm also good, sir. Thank you for asking. So now, sir, let us begin today's episode by knowing more about your career path and journey. So can you please walk us through that?
Yeah, have done BPharm and MBA in Ops Management. I started my career in Tetragon Chemi Limited as a production officer, and over a period of 22 years, I have reached as the plant manager in a huge multinational company, which is in US, Minneapolis.
Okay. All right. That's really great to know. So now, sir, I want to ask you, after having such a long span of career, what exactly inspired you to become a career mentor and join here?
See, actually, when we were young, we were not aware of the choice. We just went with the flow. But even when my daughter had to choose the career, there was no proper guidance available, and she joined a course, and we were not sure whether she is doing right thing or wrong. So finally, I was exploring: is there any way of finding out scientifically how we can means how a career can be chosen?
Okay.
As I was exploring, I came to know about Dheya, and while exploring the Dheya, I came to know I can be a good mentor, and therefore I joined Dheya as a mentor.
Okay, sir. That's really great to know. Now, sir, I want to ask you that how do you think Dheya is changing the overall perspective about career and career mentoring?
See, Dheya is doing a wonderful job of scientifically analyzing the strengths of the people and then connecting it to the paths, career paths that they can choose, and also
Okay.
with proper scientific basis. And therefore, that's how I feel Dheya is changing.
Okay, sir. That's really nice to know. And lastly, sir, now I want to ask you that what sort of message, advice, or suggestion would you like to give to today's parents and students about how to choose a career path?
Yeah, I would like to request the parents and suggest to the students that their careers very carefully through highly scientific methodologies. Otherwise, they will end up spending lot of time doing wrong things, and they will not be happy in their life if they don't do it.
Yeah. Okay, sir. That's really great to know. That's it. I sincerely thank you for taking out a precious time and sharing your experiences and insights with us. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it insightful, inspirational, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.
Thank you.